So in today's video, you will learn how to carry out basic editing functions. So first of all, launch your MS Word app. So the first function we are going to look at today is the text selection, how to select a text. First of all, click on the text you want to select. Click on your mouse and drag. In other words, you can call this function highlighting. So the next function you will look at is the copy function. Now before you can copy any text, you have to first of all select it. So I'll click on my mouse and drag to select the text. Then I'll come up here and click on copy. This text has been copied. So the next function is the paste function. So after copying the selected text, I will go to where I want my text to be pasted and I'll click on it. Then come up here and click on paste. Then that text is pasted down here as you can see. The next function is the undo and the redo. If you look at your top left corner, you're going to see these two arrows, one facing right, the other one facing left. So now, this undo function, let's say I have carried out a particular function and I don't want it again, and now realize that, oh, it wasn't necessary, I don't need it again. So you just click on this undo, like the last operation you just did will return to normal. So I now find out that, oh, after performing a particular function, I mistakenly deleted it and I need the thing back, what I just did last to come back. I just come to this redo and click on it. Like you can see here, my text has been back. So the next function we are going to look at is the cut function. Please take note, there is a difference between cut and copy. When you copy a text, the original text still remains in its position while you're able to paste it elsewhere. But in cutting a text, after cutting a text, the original text is removed from where it was and you can only paste it elsewhere. That original text cannot be seen again in its original position. So that's the difference between copy and paste. So before you can cut any text, first of all highlight the text. Then come up here and cut. Like you can see, the original text has been removed from its position. So the only thing I will do now is to paste it. I'll just come click on, as you can see. So those are the basic editing functions you can carry out on MS Word.